Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the intake grill on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Rotate the blower tube assembly counterclockwise to detach it from the blower housing. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the 10 screws securing the blower cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the retaining clip to fully remove the cover. You can now use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old intake grill. Install the new intake grill by aligning it on the blower cover. Thread and tighten the mounting screws. Reposition the blower cover and snap the retaining clip into place. Thread all of the screws. Realign the blower tube assembly on the housing and rotate clockwise until the tube locks into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.